When I am determining whether something is a function, it needs to be a real number, which means I cannot have any imaginary numbers, and the exponents must be whole numbers, which means they must be positive and no fractions or decimals. So if I look at the first problem, my exponents are 4, 2, and x. That x there is a problem because I am not allowed to have a variable in my exponent. So this one is not a function. Whereas if I look at number 34, there's an exponent of 1, an exponent of 3, and then I just have a constant. And this is a function, and that's because all exponents are whole numbers and all numbers are real. So as you go through, those are the two criteria you want to make sure that you're looking for to say whether or not we have a function.